Hello everyone and welcome to the Cafe Academy. Today we're going to be talking about how to start your coffee shop from the ground up during the pandemic. Now I'm very excited to be here in front of you guys here today to let you know that it's possible, you can do it, and this is the time for you to start growing your coffee shop in times of uncertainty. The only thing that is stopping you right now from achieving your financial goals through growing your coffee shop is the lack of information on how to even go about starting your coffee shop, particularly during times of uncertainty. And I'm here today to give you valuable information you need to know in order to start growing your coffee shop. So now let's get right into it. How do we go about starting a coffee shop during the pandemic? To increase your likelihood of success and reduce the likelihood of failure, what are some things we should do? Well, we need to understand first that the need for social interaction will become more of a demand even during the pandemic of social distancing and stay-at-home measures. People will still want the opportunity to meet with others and to be able to socialize while grabbing a cup of coffee. Now, if you start your coffee shop during the pandemic, as a business owner, you always want to make sure that your customers are aware that you are taking safety precautions so that they can feel safe and comfortable when they come to your coffee shop. You want your customers to understand that a face mask will always be worn by your baristas and that the cleaning procedures are being implemented to ensure customer safety and concerns. Now, the next thing you will want to do is to update your floor plan. Initially, the goal of a floor plan is to create an efficient space between tables and chairs so that there is enough space when customers enter the coffee shop and the area does not feel cramped. In fact, a floor plan can increase the value of your coffee shop. So we're going to have a two-part video of how to create an effective floor plan that will increase the value of your coffee shop and provide social distance safety procedures at the same time. Click on the link in the description after this video to watch part 2 so that you can fully learn how to create a successful floor plan that will generate the most money while following safety procedures. Also, visit thecafeacademy.com to get your free copy of the Cafe Starter Business Guidebook. This book will set the foundation and give you tips and strategies to get your coffee shop started, such as learning the secrets of a successful coffee shop and 4 key winning strategies to implement before starting your coffee shop. Links will be provided in the description below. Alrighty guys, now before we begin creating our floor plan, essentially we're going to need 4 icons that's going to be our representation of devising our floor plan. So the 4 icons that we're going to be using are as follows. Actually, let me go to my desktop to check my file here. So essentially we're going to need 1 coffee bar, we're going to need 1 entrance door, we're also going to need tables with chairs, and we're also going to need workroom. So let me begin by actually uploading this to our whiteboard here. So let me just... Okay, so this is our coffee bar. Let me just shrink it down a little bit here. And we'll leave that right there. Then we can type in coffee bar. Right, so we have our coffee bar. The next thing we're going to need is our entrance door. Let me just bring this over here. We got a nice sized door. We're just going to shrink it down and bring it right underneath. Oops. Right over here. Good. Now this is going to be our entrance door. Now the next thing we're going to need is tables with chairs. Bring this over here. Uh-oh. We are experiencing technical difficulties here. All right, now we have our tables with chairs. We're just going to bring this right here. Shrink it down here. Table with chair. So when it comes to creating, your key elements and creating your floor plan, you always want to be as organized as possible. You want to gather up all the things that you're gonna be using in order to create your floor plan, just to have an idea. And you want to always set by putting it all organized, so you can be able to know, okay, this is what I'm going to use. This is what we're going to use to devise our plan. So that's essentially the best idea to keep yourself organized. And the last thing we're going to need is a workroom. So let me just bring this right here. Good. Nice little workroom. We're going to shrink this down here. Workroom. Alrighty, guys, so now as you can see here, we have 4 key elements we're going to use. We have coffee bar, entrance door, tables with chairs, and a workroom. So this is what we're going to be using as far as creating our floor plan. So now we're off to creating our floor plan.